Multi-cylinder applications. Many industrial applications make use of multiple air cylinders to perform a single job. The main purpose of using multi-cylinders is to increase the load operating capacity, perform clamping operation, carry out sequential operations, and so on. Multi-cylinders are also based when are used when the use of a single cylinder cannot meet the required applications. Special pneumatic circuits are designed using various direction control valves and pneumatic logic functions to perform the required operation, such as coordinated motion, sequential operation, cascading, and so on. Some of the basic multi cylinder pneumatic circuits and their applications are briefly described below. In any fluid application, circuit diagrams are drawn using different hydraulic or pneumatic elements. They are then tested with simulation tool to check whether each element in general and the system as a whole is functioning satisfactorily as per the design of the system. But in multi-cylinder application, the circuit alone must not be sufficient to adequately represent the functional sequence of each of the cylinder or the interrelation between the cylinders. The functional sequence and interrelation between cylinders can be best represented and understood with the help of a functional diagram. Functional diagrams are means of representing the functional sequences of different controls such as mechanical, electrical, electronics, pneumatic, and hydraulic, as well as combinations of these control such as electropneumatic, electromechanical, electrohydraulic, etc. The main objective of a function diagram is to project a clear and distinct sequence of operations of all pneumatic elements used in the pneumatic circuit. Functional diagrams are of two types. They are motion or movement diagram, control diagram. Motion diagram. Motion diagram is a graphical representation of conditions relating to working elements or components. Varieties of motion diagrams are used in engineering control system. Motion diagram can be drawn in a single coordinate system or in two coordinate system. However, two coordinate system gives a better understanding and clarity and hence commonly adopted. Motion diagrams are drawn for two variables of the working element such as step and time. Correspondingly, the diagrams are called motion step or displacement step diagram, motion or displacement time diagram. Figure indicating concept of motion diagram. First one indicating motion step diagram, second one indicating motion time diagram.